Hi everyone, Jory here, and for today's Pigletz news, we're going to talk about how an actual real-life house is sold as an NFT on OpenSea. But before any of that, please do not forget to subscribe to the channel for more crypto and NFT news. Now to dive in, if you thought NFTs were basically all about cartoon avatar animals, accusations of cash grabs, and losing money in the bear market, think again, because an entire house has just sold in the US as a non-fungible token. Digital property in the MetaVerse is one thing, but an actual house takes NFT ownership up a notch or several. The house is a 3-bedroom South Carolina property and was listed on OpenSea via Roofstock, a real estate fintech firm that combines NFTs with physical property. The NFT holder, who paid for it using the Ethereum-based stablecoin USDC, now has full rights to the property, which has its traits listed on OpenSea like any other regular NFT. And as you can see here, this is incredibly big news, which shouldn't come as a surprise because blockchain tech, used as a decentralized and distributed, encryptable and immutable database, has long been mooted as a real estate sector disruptor, mainly for its potential to connect buyers and sellers, cut out intermediaries in the transaction process, and reduce overall costs. According to Roofstock Chief Blockchain Officer Geoffrey Thompson, tokenizing property has gained traction over the past year or so as it creates frictionless transaction, simplifies the process, and makes information more readily available. This actually isn't the first instance of an NFT real estate sale, although Roofstock appears well positioned to make one of the first serious forays into the space as it's managed to raise some seriously large capital this year. This firm has also teamed up with Ethereum-based NFT and DeFi platform onChain protocol to create its own NFT marketplace focused on physical real estate. And that's something that aims to cut seller fees by up to 50%. On other related Pigletz and OpenSea news, Pigletz is actually working on getting on OpenSea until the end of the year through the Ethereum merge. So that's something that we're all very excited about. If you're new here and want to learn more about Pigletz, check this video out here. And we also made a video about the Ethereum merge, which you can check out here. As always, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye!